A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. What a teacher is more important than what he teaches. The best teachers are those who show you where to look, but don't tell you what to see. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Teacher encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hair to love. The mediocre teacher talks, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires. A teacher presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future. Teaching is the profession that teaches all of the other professions. Good teachers know how to bring out best in students. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased.